How to install camera assistant on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button. Then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. This will open up the Galaxy Store pop-up window. Here, tap on the install button. It will attempt to download and install camera assistant features. Here, tap on camera assistant, and you can see it will give you additional settings for your camera. In fact, it is a lot of settings that you can set with your camera. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.